Hi, I'm Mr. Ashbrook, Upper School Head.
I'm Mr. Nesmith, Upper School Dean of Students. As you know, we consider ourselves a family here at Wichita Collegiate.
Now, it's time for us to welcome you to the Upper School family.
The first step, we'd like to invite you to the Upper School Open House on Tuesday, November 19th.
Here at the Upper School, we ask our kids to work hard, communicate, and be good to one another. And by doing so, our kids are tremendously successful, and we have a lot of fun along the way.
On Tuesday the 19th, we want to show you what you can look forward to in the upper school and also have a little bit of fun.
We'll have some dinner for you at 6, and then our college counselors, Mrs. Booth and Mrs. Kaczynski, will tell you all about the services they'll provide for you here in the upper school.
You'll have the chance to meet upper school teachers, hear about electives, clubs, and athletic teams, and other activities you can take part in up here in the upper school.
You'll be introduced to a 4-year plan that will show you all the academic opportunities you can take advantage of, as well as hear from a group of current upper school students who will tell you about their upper school experience.
We hope that you will join us on Tuesday, November 19th, and you will see how excited we are to have you join us here in the upper school family.
We value you as a student and, more importantly, as a person. So whatever it is you do at the upper school, be it
engineering, economics, biology, Francais, Espanol, lunch, geometry, chem research, and it was robotics, Scottish Bowl.
we welcome you to the upper school.
See you on the 19th.